Yeah.
You got your first birthday present?
Yeah.
Do you know the names?
Duck.
Which one?
McQueen.
Which one? Show mommy. Which one is fabulous Dark Hudson?
This one.
And which one is the fabulous Lightning McQueen?
This one.
Yeah. Am I going to open it?
Yes. I can open it with one hand.
Or you can open it with one hand?
Yeah.
Can you tell mommy what you have to do before you can open it?
I can play with it.
No, what did you have to do before you can open it?
Yay! Get him out.
Boom, boom.
Boom, boom. Whoa! He's so fast. He's Doc. He's a fabulous Hudson Hornet.
How about that?
Okay. A fabulous slime. How do you open it? Whoa! So cool.
Boom, boom.
Yay! Vroom, vroom. Fabulous slime.
Hey, do you still want to play? Well, there's more videos you can watch right now. On the screen, there's a lot of videos. Pick the one you like the best and let's play!